Let's learn how to divide 438 by 2 using the long division method. See that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. So we will bring down this adjacent 3 here. And we know that this is the number 3. So remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. So we will bring down this adjacent 8 here. And we know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 438 divided by 2 is equal to 219. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.